Naku, Diyos ko, Roxy. Uwian na. Napamura ako nung nakita ko 'to. Sabi ko, "Ay, PUTA, uwian na." Diyos ko, Roxy, ang mahal, ang expensive ng lola mo.
Yes.
Diyos ko po, $1,000,000 look.
This would
No matter
something
what.
that you can wear sa Oscars or sa mga big events.
Yes, pang red carpet.
Actually, yan.
Naloka ako sa kanya. I mean, Diyos ko, Roxy, you need to have a crown, girl.
Yes.
Cosmo.
Yeah, speaking of that, Sir Andy, ang nasulat ko lang talaga is that Roxy with elegance, sophistication, grace, and little hint of boldness enough for Roxy to cemented this particular segment. Of course, dahil nga sobrang simple tapos luxurious ng dating ni Roxy dito. Para talaga siyang Hollywood vibe.
Ang ganda. It's like a old Hollywood glam look. Ito yun.
Yes. And yung ano nga, yung down part ng gown, dahil alam mo naman, Sir Andy, na isa akong florist. So,
Yeah.
flowers are my weapon talaga. So, ito, para talaga siyang petals, parang real petals ng peonies na flower. So,
yeah.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga tong look na to ni Roxy. Tapos, binuo talaga ni Roxy yung idea ng luminously sophisticated elegance. Yan talaga yun. Binuo ni Roxy. So, I think Roxy talaga kailangan yung bantayan si Roxy kasi kukuha talaga siya ng corona